Hi, welcome back to the video 21 of our Adobe Premiere Pro beginners course. In this video, you are going to learn how to sync the audio and video manually and automatically. Actually, I posted a video on how to sync automatically, but again for this video, I'm giving you both like manual and automatic. So let's start. As you can see, this is one of the video and audio clip. Actually, this is the audio recorded in the camera, and this audio is the external audio which recorded in this microphone. So first I'll show you how to do it automatically. See, automatic saves you a lot of time, guys, and if in case you want to do manually, sometimes automatic doesn't work if in case you are recording at different conditions. So on that time, whatever the tips you have to take, I'll tell you in this video. So first let's see how to do it automatically. So select all the clips, right click on it and choose synchronize. Okay, synchronize. This window will be pop. Since I want to synchronize with the audio track 1, I selected this. If in case it is 2, you can select the 2 and so on. After this, click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, it is synchronized perfectly. Since this video clip is not linked with the audio, that's why it is moved like this. But anyways, this is how you do the automatic. Now when it comes to manual, so before you do in this the software, while you are recording, on that time only you need to take care some of the things. Number one is just give a claps like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, whatever you like, so that the audio is recorded in the external microphone as well as the internal of your camera. So by this way, it is really helpful. In post, you can sync it manually. So if in case you want to sync it manually in the Premiere Pro, the only way you can do is just by looking at the audio waveform. As you can see here, the top and bottom both audio waveforms are correct. If in case I move and mess up like this, see, now they are not perfectly aligned. So that's why during the initial, the start of the video, whatever maybe it is, whether you are in the same location or changing to another location, after hitting that record button, just give a clap for 2 to 4 times so that it's easy for you in the post you can synchronize manually. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So this is how you can synchronize the audio and video manually and automatically in Adobe Premiere Pro. See you again in the next class.